you want to get a selfie stick but you don't want to buy one, I'm about to show you how to make one real quick. Get an old fishing rod, some type of bottle holder, like for a bike or just anything like that if you have one of those laying around. Or be creative, make your own. You know, you could even use rubber bands and then just put that together. And this is the bottom part of the rod. It's a 2-piece rod, so this is the bottom part. And you wrap it around with some electrical tape, some zip ties right there. Boom. If you want to get views of, you know, using it as a selfie stick, you tilt it backwards like that, so you get that angle. Then if you want to use it for landscape, which is what I use it for a lot, and you could tilt it the opposite direction, and then, you know, raise it up, and you can get really high views of like trees and some stuff like that. But it's got more range than a selfie stick too, because it's a fishing rod. It's longer. Also, another thing I did, get a pen cap and push it in. So I got this duct tape wrapped around here, so it's tight. You know, it's like a cushion to rest. Then you get that pen cap, and it blocks it. And if you have a bigger phone, it's even better because it'll stay more snug. But I mean, you could do this with anything. You know, if you don't have a fishing rod, get, you know, some other type of pole, and then just get, you know, be creative. You could make anything. You can save money on literally everything if you be creative with it.